Guys, I am Aniket Katkar. Today I am here to discuss with you the information about the technical topic Introduction to the Medical Coding. Then let's start with the overview part. The medical coding is an essential aspect of the healthcare that involves the translating the medical diagnosis, procedures, and the services into the universally recognized alphanumerical codes. These codes are used for the various purposes including the firstly the billing, then the insurance claims, patient records, and the statistical analysis. The next we will discuss the understanding of the medical coding. So basically first we will discuss the what is medical coding. The medical coding is the process of converting the healthcare diagnosis, means the treatments, procedures, and the medical services into a set of the standardized codes. In these codes, we study or we used in the medical records, billings, and the insurance claims that to ensure that the healthcare providers are reimbursed appropriately for their services. Then next the diagnosis codes. In these codes, which represent the patient's healthcare condition or the diagnosis of the patient. For example, the ICD-10 codes means the International Classification of Diseases, which are commonly used worldwide. Then the procedure codes, in which these codes are used to represent the medical procedures such as surgeries or the treatments and are often based on the CPT, means the current procedural terminology. The CPT code set. Then the next modifiers. The modifiers are used to provide the additional information about the procedures or the services such as its complexity or the method in which it is performed. Then the next we will discuss fourth the types of medical coding. The types involve the inpatient coding, which focuses mainly on the coding patients who are admitted to the hospital for an overnight or longer than that. The inpatient coders often work with the ICD-10 codes to document the diagnosis and the treatments during the hospital stay. Then the next is the outpatient coding. In outpatient coding, which deals with the services provided to the patient who don't require an overnight stay in the hospitals. The outpatient coders focus on the CPT and HCPCS codes for the various services like office visits, labs, tests, and the surgeries. The next is the professional coding, in which it involves the coding for the physician services, including the consultations, office visits, and surgical procedures. Then the facilities coding involves focuses on the coding for services provided by the healthcare facilities such as hospitals or the clinics. The next we will discuss the major challenges which are faced in the medical coding. The first major challenge is the complexity of the codes. The variety and the constant updates of the codes and the coding systems can make the process complex. Coders may stay current on the latest versions of ICD-10, CPT, and HCPCS. The error prevention is the mistakes in the coding that can lead to the incorrect billing, insurance denials, or even the legal issues for the healthcare providers. The next we will discuss the evolving healthcare regulations. In this, ongoing changes in the healthcare policies and the insurance regulations, coders must continually adapt to the new rules and the procedures. Then the future of the medical coding is that we will discuss the automation and AI. With the advancement of the artificial intelligence, AI, and the machine learning, coding software is becoming more intelligent, offering the automated coding suggestions. However, the human element of the oversight will likely remain critical for the accuracy and the compliance. Then the next is the telemedicine, in which the rise of the telehealth and the remote healthcare services is provided or introducing to the new challenges and the opportunities to the medical coders that handle virtual care, codes, and the billing. The next is the increased demand. As the healthcare evolves and healthcare industry continues to grow, so does the demand for the skilled medical coders arrive. The US Bureau of the Labor Statistics projects strong growth for the medical records and the health information technicians, which includes the coders. This was the information. Thank you.